Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
When I have customers that experience a loss, invariably you're the first number I give them. But it seems to me, not knowing the industry, it seems to me smoke is the most nefarious, hardest thing to deal with.
And a lot of people don't recognize that, and they think they can take care of it themselves. And oftentimes when we get called, they're so eager to see if something can be restored that they'll attempt to clean it themselves. And more times than not, they end up actually setting the smoke and ruining the item.
Setting it.
And it makes it really challenging then for us to come in. But of course, it's important to them. So they are eager to see, will this be able to be restored? And they can't wait for us. So they get in and they start to try to clean it themselves. And oftentimes that's the worst thing they can do.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home.